Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our high steer kit for the Jeep JT and JL. Now at stock height, your factory drag link and track bar are going to be parallel, and that's what you want. But as you lift the vehicle, that angle begins to change, and we remedy that with a high steer kit. Our high steer kit is going to take your drag link and flip its position from the bottom of the passenger side knuckle to the top of the passenger side knuckle. That way, your angle is going to match your track bar. What that's going to do is help eliminate any kind of bump steer and stress on your steering box. The installation is very simple. You can do it at the house. The bar itself is made up of 1.5" DOM tubing and also features a greaseable tie rod end. It's a heavy-duty unit designed to give you maximum performance both on and off-road. So when you're ready to upgrade your steering for the maximum performance, you're ready for Rough Country's high steer kit for the JL and JT. Check these and every other Jeep accessory you can imagine out today at roughcountry.com.